I'll tell you what, there's nothing quite like mowing the lawn, fertilizing the lawn, and especially striping the lawn for 4th of July. There's just something special about it. It's tradition. It's a tradition of our community, and I love it, and I always look forward to it, and I always enjoy it. And I take a lot of pride in my lawn, and I take a lot of pride in my country. I'm very, very grateful for the freedoms and the opportunities that are given to me as a citizen of the United States, and I'm proud to be an American, and I hope you are too, for those of you that live in the States. I know that we live in kind of a crazy time right now, and there's a lot of crazy things going on, but regardless of the issues, there's one thing that we all have in common: we're all American. I hope that we can remember that this 4th of July season as we celebrate those freedoms and how we got to where we are today, and what had to happen, and the sacrifices that had to be made for all the things that we enjoy, for all the many men and women and their families who sacrifice for this great country. Now, there's going to be a lot of videos this weekend, and I realize that, so I want to keep this video short and let you have an opportunity to see everyone else's video too. But before I let you go, I do want to show you something I've been working on that I've been sitting on for quite a while, waiting for 4th of July weekend to reveal it. Here it is. So yes, I have new stickers. This is a limited edition run. I'm really excited about this sticker. I'm actually really proud of it too. A lot of thought went into this design. I designed it all on my own, and I'm gonna give 5 of these away. So 5 stickers. Let me really quickly explain the thought behind this sticker here. Obviously, it's in the shape of my home state of Utah. This is where I live, and this is the shape of the state that I live in. Also, the background, the American flag, of course. Just want to be patriotic and really drive that home. And what better holiday to drive that home and to share this with you than 4th of July. So, and then of course Jimmy Lewis Mows and my website, and we like that deep green too. So hope you like it. I am giving 5 of these away. Leave a comment below, tell me something patriotic, tell me something you love about your country, whether you live in the United States or not. I know that there's people that watch my videos that aren't in the States, so tell me why you love your country. Let's keep it civil and let's not get political. Anything that's political or over the top or crazy is deleted. Let's just take pride in the spirit of the holiday. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. Leave your comment down below. I will reach out to the winners. I will do a random drawing in about a week, and I will reach out to the winners via the comments below. I won't do a video revealing the winners or anything like that, so just make sure you're checking back on the comments in about a week, and we'll get you information to get you your stickers. Thanks again for watching. Happy 4th of July. Be safe, have fun, and we'll see you next time.